Okay guys, today we are going to dive into how to cut our clips using our mark in and mark out. We'll continue also by knowing how to take your clip alone and then your audio alone. Alright, so let's dive in. Okay, so here on my project panel you see I have three different clips here. So I'm going to double click and it will show in my source monitor. So I'm going to take go to in. This is go to in. I click on go to in on your keyboard, shift plus I will take you there. So now let me play with my space bar on my keyboard. Okay, so I pause the video there. That's where I want to cut my video from. Alright, from this portion is the one I want for the beginning of my whole project. So I do what? I click mark in shortcut on my keyboard. It is I, or you click on this icon which is called the mark in, this one. Alright, then you play. Okay, so the mark in the shortcut form is I. On your keyboard you click this, or this icon is the mark in. On the keyboard is I, then you play. Okay, so I want the guy to be out of frame. Alright, so this is what I want. Alright, so I do my mark out. The mark out is O on the keyboard, and you quickly drag and drop on your timeline here, or you click on insert, okay, and it will appear here, but I want to do drag and drop. Okay, so now I am doing drag and drop, so let's play and see. Very good, superb. So let's go to our next clip. Let's play from here. Alright, so we are playing from here. So I'm going to go to in. Okay, so let's say I want to pick from here. Alright, from here, so I mark in, I play, mark out. So this portion is the portion that I want. You see it's highlighted, yes, meaning I am telling the software that I just want this portion at the moment. So I click on my screen, drag and drop to my timeline. So let's play from here and see. So that's it. Maybe I want next video, I play something like this. Okay, so I'll take it back, play some minutes. Okay, I mark in already, and the what I mark out. So I pick this to the timeline, click, hold, drag and drop. So that's what I'm doing. So I drop that on my timeline. So let me play from here. Okay, so I want another video from this particular timeline. Okay, I want from where the motor rider is in front of the car. So I mark in from there, then I play. Okay, so let me just pick from there. I don't want it too long. Let me take it from there. Okay, so something like this. So I mark out. So I'm picking that place to my timeline. So let's play and see. That's it. So now if I want to pick the video alone of this, I'll just click on this icon here, drag video only, and I drop it. If I want to pick the sound alone, I click on this icon here, click, hold, drag and drop. So let's see, I pick only video, so this one will play without a sound, and now the sound will come. That's it. Thank you for watching, and my next video will be on how to actually um, do color grading and stuff to your clips. Alright, thank you.